Okay, so the next part we're going to be doing is part 68. So, just so you know, it will eventually end up looking like this. Okay, so again, this is going to be a two-step process. You need two extrusions. So, start new, English, standard, create. I have this blank space, so I start my 2D sketch. I'm going to choose the top plane, the XZ plane, and I'm going to rotate. So I need to use the line tool to make the bottom section. So I'm going to start at the origin, then I'm going to go up. I know it's going to be 1.5 inches, so I'll try to make it around there. Then it's going to come over, again 1.5 inches, so it'll be around there. It's going to come down about 3/4 inch, so that's close enough. Come in, another 3/4 inch, and then down. Make sure it's even with that origin. So click, and always remember you have to finish your line back where you began. Okay. So now we can put our dimensions in. This dimension, as I said before, was 1.5. This dimension is also 1.5. And this section is 3/4. So you can, remember, you can put in the fraction, or you can just type in 0.75, and it'll automatically convert. Now I can finish my sketch. I'll zoom out, and I can extrude this bottom section. I want to extrude it 0.75. Okay. Now we need to make this upper section. So we have to start a new sketch. Okay, and we have to choose which face we're going to sketch on. We're going to sketch on this face right here. Click there. I'll rotate it around again. Now, when we use the rectangle tool, I want you to notice something. I'm going to start at one corner, so it turns green, and I'm going to go all the way to the other inside corner, and it turns green again. And all 4 of my lines are blue, which means that they're already defined even without dimensions, because I started it and finished it at 2 already determined corners. So I actually don't need to put any dimensions here. Finish my sketch, extrude, and it still has my last value, 0.75, and okay. And to finish it off, we will save this, and your period number, and your last name, and this is C68. And remember to put it in your U drive if you have one, and save.